This huge torrent of water is in Abu Dhabi in the UAE. A flash flood has caused this super dangerous crossing. The patrol got across okay, and this guy's making the same attempt. Oh, this guy looks like he's in big trouble. Alright, check this out. The white patrol's backing in to help out this other guy. Both these cars could be washed away in seconds. This is super dangerous. Alright, what's this guy doing? Okay, he's trying to attach a rope. But honestly, one slip and these guys are gone. Okay, the way they've positioned the white patrol is pretty smart. I think it's slowing the water in front of the gold patrol so this guy in the water is protected. This is so dangerous. These guys have no idea what's underneath this water. Alright, come on, get back inside the car. Alright, come on, make it out. They're sliding all over the place. Alright. Wow, that could have gone super differently.